Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful Monday afternoon. Got a delivery today and I just wanted to share it via video because I didn't think pictures were going to do it justice. The presentation is just so incredible and unexpected. So here it is. You didn't ask for it, but you got it. The first video of the Frasier Project. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So the little piano comes out. Articulating cover for the keys. Inside there's a beautiful crushed red velvet lining. The little legs just snap into place here. I don't recognize the song right away, but if you recognize it, leave me a comment and let me know what it is so we can post it. The pedals and the bench, just so cute how it's in there together. Pedals go under like that. Incredible. Here's the song. This comes from Larissa Nicole Johnson, so I just want to say thank you very much for sending this in. It's absolutely beautiful. And thanks to everybody who's been sending in contributions to the project. It's just been incredible. I can't even tell you how grateful I am to have everybody participating in this project. So thanks for your likes. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for your well wishes after my surgery. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to keep in touch. See ya.